Next product, 2023 Year-End Hackathon. Title of this project is Stock Portfolio Manager. It creates a risk-adjusted stock portfolio optimized and fine-tuned by 3 AI investment agents. I'm the team leader, Mike Lively, and team members are Kent Gray, David Lively, Alvin Abhanov, and Neelam. Goes without saying that AI trading is pretty big. About 75% of volume today is AI trading. In the future, that's just going to grow. The need and revenue streams are going to increase. Longer description of this project introduces an AI-powered stock portfolio management system designed for optimizing investments based on individual risk profiles. It leverages 3 AI agents to create, optimize, and fine-tune a risk-adjusted portfolio. Key features are custom GPT that tailors portfolios to 4 risk categories: conservative, growth, balanced, aggressive. Optimized by uses of metrics, and then fine-tuned with the 3 CrewAI agents for portfolio fine-tuning adjustments. So Crew just came out this week, and we were able to implement it into Hugging Face, where we implemented this project. The features here, it creates in just a 10-stock portfolio, and AI-driven insights for informed investment decisions, uses technologies such as custom GPT, Gemini, LangChain, CrewAI, which is written in LangChain, and Hugging Face. So let's take a look at the product. So when you open it up on Hugging Face, you immediately have this link here where you can go to the custom GPT. And this will create a portfolio for you based upon risk. So let's hit create portfolio, and it'll create 4 portfolios for you. We'll just go through one for this demo. It'll start off with the conservative portfolio. And it'll begin to explain why it's choosing those basic stocks for that portfolio. And if you study portfolios, you understand you may have a large portfolio, but truly about 10 to 15 of those portfolio items are only the most important ones. And then it'll just pause after it's done with the 10, and it'll ask you if you'd like to proceed, and then it'll continue with the next risk. Next on our Hugging Face tab is optimizing the portfolio. So you can take those stocks and paste them into here, or you can actually use the stocks that we have here: conservative, balanced, growth, or aggressive. Let's take a look at growth. So this will optimize based upon sharp parameters. Just a few things here. About 2/3 of this code was actually written by Damien Bowe on Hugging Face. I actually adapted it, and I wrote about 1/3 of it. So I just want to make sure I gave him credit. But it's a really nice system, because what it's going to do is actually come along here and optimize these 10 stocks and show you where to put your money. Now notice there's only 4 that you're really putting money into. And that's about right when it comes to portfolios. So I was pretty surprised that they caught this. All right, let's go to the next one. And now we're going to fine tune this. So you have your stocks right here. Let's bring this up a little bit. So here's your stocks, and you have 3 agents that are going to talk back and forth and optimize these stocks for you. So let's run it. And what you can do as it's running is click on logs, and you can watch these agents talk back and forth as they build and refine this portfolio system. And it says, do I need to look up something? And now it's going to use Gemini. So he does a Gemini search of the web to pull its stock data. Gemini is pretty sweet. It just goes right to the web and pulls the information for you readily. All right, that's how it works. And at the end, it's going to give you a readout of what it discovered and give you suggestions on how to fine-tune your stocks. All right, and it's getting ready to give your solution to you here in one moment. And there you go. That's your recommendation built by your bots. Looks pretty good. All right, with that said, let's go back to the presentation. So as we mentioned, this portfolio system has 3 parts. It creates a custom portfolio based on risk, optimizes the portfolio based on metrics, and fine-tunes the portfolio based on 3 AI agents. And finally, in summary, the most time consumed here was grasping the financial concepts. And this is really good, because we're not worried about coding anymore, because the machines are doing all that for us. We're just worried on how everything fits together. We are most proud of the implementation of CrewAI into Hugging Face. So basically, when you work with Crew or some system like that, or AutoGen, you're just like having to recode to get an answer. Here, we built an interface on top of it where we could talk back and forth with it and get it doing stuff. So the most fun, of course, was building custom GPT. It's just really easy to build those, and they do a lot of work for you. Next steps would be to build a more robust system that creates trading strategies based on AI analysis. So the big discovery, GitHub is a treasure trove. You can go to GitHub and find tons of projects and just turn them into AI. Now with AI, you can program as fast as you can think.